Tiende pamozi ndimtima umo. Ulo elwimbo ifikolo fyesu fyale imba. Just to bring unity. Bukuleta fyomutende nechongwe pamo. Elwimbo efikolo fyesu fyale imba. That's the song. Just to hold hands as brothers and sisters. Just to bring that recognition that we are, no tribe is special. You see, mweve kalachalo. Ngawabe ntungulushi. Ninshuwabe chimbusa. Ichakuleta abantu pamo. Bring people together becomes your paramount responsibility. Fafilefio ichimbusa cha mufyupo chileta bana bwinga na bashibwinga pamonga baumana chabaleta pamo ikataneni umfuaneni efi baneni tungulushi you become ichimbusa. Therefore umuntu nangu intungulushi ile patulula abantu on record ukuthi disparage shimbi mitundu nangokulanda okwebati imitundu shimbi they are not leadership deserving. Uyo muntu is very dangerous. Kabili is very evil even to our country. And such people katwishi chipumbufye chachalwecho iyo ntungulushi taishi befyo ilechita because umuntu ulechita promote tribalism mwebantu mungu fikishi nish alebulo mutende wesu wa kuntanshi just to create ka safe haven kakwe because na ishbo kwebati ngaeba imo mwebantu ati aba uyu mutundu wabefi. There is a narrative already that exists that uyu mutundu wabefi nangu uyu mutundu wabefi mualamu mfuila alefo kuchita ride papu kukana ishiba kwesu elo yo muntu yufuti ninshi ni threat even kufikolo fyesu because ifikolo fyesu fyale imbolu imbokwe bati tuikatane pamo elo fyatu pangira na national anthem nga mwayu for national anthem ulo lwimbo luleta fe unity ukuikatana fye pamo imitundu shonses over 70 tribes tuikatane pamo let's hold hands takwabo mutundu otwati taposeto ukwebati uyu mutundu okala tungulula nangu uyu mutundu fyemu abantu abamana abalozinga kuti batupera president lekeni batupere abaluvalenga kuti batupera president lekeni batupere bonsi ababantu kuti batupera lekeni batupere ngabayisa then we subject them kuri debate tumfofye balelanda then we come up to say uyu muntu okwatishe vision yotu lefo yako. As we all, the country wants to attain economical and social development. Effort fureture bomfia as a judging factor ya ababantu. Chapwa. Fwe bantu fe tuchita fionza, tuchita na ma reason. Mwe bantu wakwaleza. Tuchite fintu fionza na ma reason. Therefore, na pakusale ntungulushi. It should be for competence and nothing else. Not because ntungulushi wali itemwa. A leader he must be a product of competence and not a product of feelings. Not because nalimutemwa, is he able to deliver? You see, tatuni na motoka because ya blue, or ya yellow, or ya orange, or ya kwate chilimba. Tunina motoka because it's able to move from point A to point B. That's all. Not because wali itemwa. Nangutawa itemwa ule nina because ulefu okuya. You get? Let's stop settling for less because umuntu wali mutemwa na ngurata wa mutemwa. Kulo shafipari reason yako but is he able to deliver? Chapwa. That's so. Not because I'm feelings yabo more involved. Awe. Please, let's stop selecting people because tuwafumana bena kumutundu na tuwafumana shanshanje. Echa tulesa dane fipumbu. You see, ilibala isa campaign yuko. Na papata. Please. Don't allow politicians to get away with it ngabambo kuchita disparage imitundu shimbi. That's very dangerous and it can spark inkondo muri chino charo. mutundu mbiko mfafye left out and bakambo kuchita execute without reason kulanda fati yawo ifo mutundu tatuleba fwa ya kunwaba tuambo kubatanfya bambo kubatanfya. What are we going to do as a country? Let's not, we should care enough. We need leaders that are, going to unite us, leaders that are going to remind us that we are brothers and sisters and we should hold hands together. We should be judging each other based on the merits and demerits towards the development of this country, not ububukopo. And it should end. We the youths should condemn ichichi musango pantu chivi chikalete nkondo mchalo. Please hear me and like the page. This is Jason Chipepo Msonda. Thank you very much and look out for my next video which is coming soon. Thank you.